Sickle cell disease is a painful disease that many people live with their entire life. It can be treated through regular blood transfusions to make that person's life more comfortable. Community Blood Center recently created a program called Gift of Smiles. It helps patients at Children's Mercy. It has done wonders for many kids and their families. In fact, let's hear from two of those families right now.
The journey's been difficult. Marcel, he was died. I mean, you're born with sickle cell, but we didn't find out in his case until he was probably 5 years old.
For 13 months, we didn't know about it. Unfortunately, she was diagnosed at birth, but we didn't know until she was 13 months. So it was an unknown.
A year later, Marcel had a stroke. It was a frightening experience because he was in the hospital and came near to dying. And ever since then, he's been having to go to the doctor like once a month for blood transfusions. So it's a difficult road to have a kid or any loved one with the sickle cell disease.
Every 4 weeks, since she was 4 years old, she had her first stroke, and since then, she has to have blood transfusions every 4 weeks. You never think of a 4-year-old having a stroke. You think that's someone in their elder years, but with sickle cell, which we didn't know, causes stroke in children, and it's just so painful to see a child go through a stroke. It's just unbelievable. It tears your heart, and with it being your child, you just can't imagine the pain we went through.
Blood is a necessity for children like Marcel that has the sickle cell disease, because once he had his stroke, it was a 80% likelihood that he would have another stroke unless he had the blood donations every month, or the blood transfusions. So I would implore for anyone to donate blood.
If we didn't have that blood available from donors, I don't know what we would have done. She could have suffered so much damage, and I'm just thankful. I'm crying.
My advice would be that there is hope. Through Children's Mercy, the doctors, the staff, we found hope. They're doing a great job there.
Please give blood to help kids like me.
We're proud to be a part of the Gift of Smiles.
We're proud to be a part of the Gift of Smiles.
You can become a donor in the Gift of Smiles program. Just ask a CBC associate how to take the steps to give the Gift of Smiles to the kids at Children's Mercy.